Yeah, I get into this room today. 475 and $100 maintenance. I just clean the room. Generally, if it is Americans, they clean and give it. Thanking note to all my recruiters, brothers and sisters. Doesn't matter what nationality they are. Without their support, I would not have done these 16 projects during a decade in US, whether I'm leaving US today or not. But this is my thanking note to all my recruiter brothers and sisters in the recruiting who forwarded or helped during the past. Thank you. Yeah, today 21st March 2018. I have to tell you a point. Right now I'm working for Maryland. His prime vendor. He inserted two of his friends as a layers. One name is West Coast. Another one is shouting when I ask for H1B extension letters or transfer letter, whatever. Literally harassed, threatened for 1 week to give a extension letter, H1B letter, basically to prove USCIS H1B is working at site. Whereas client, the director has given in less than 5 minutes, and he came to my desk and handed over the letter. But whereas this 1 week and took 4 days, and she was shouting at me for to do her job. Okay, then I said I will quit the job. Then she told, if you quit, everybody will sue you. What everybody will sue? If I die next 1 hour, whom you will sue? So basically, spouse of H1B will cry at the receiving end, right? And they have to be strong to sue all these fucking layers. And my friend here, they got this project. Definitely they need a referral money, but they're supposed to file H1B. So he took $2,000 out of $10,000. Paying money, giving both is crime. But I want to show it to USCIS that how Indian inks are working here. So I paid to prove they are doing crime. So he get caught. So he is trying to convert me from Hindu to Christianity. I am a human being. So my colleague, true Christians don't cheat, don't lie, don't do this kind of conversion business and all. Because he is Hindu, is doing that. And he noticed he is also cheating. That's how. And then he also shouted at me, scolded me like anything. Because he get caught, right? Later I realized I trusted him. 12 of my friends, ex-colleagues or colleagues, whoever, they paid him money, $10,000 by trusting me. So I'm not the liability for that, but I told don't pay. So they never got money back, and their attorney scolded them for doing. They are not aware, but they send me to work without their knowledge. And they told, attorney told, Venkata somebody took money. He is participating in the crime. So I will inform to Bank of America, IRS and USCIS to raid their houses or business houses. So this is how Indians are doing crime. And he call it as H1B consulting business. So their attorney scolded them, but before withdraw from as a layer, he demanded $40,000, $5 an hour for 6 months contract. So finally he took $960, $12 per hour for 80 hours of work I worked here. So I didn't get paid, but they all vendors, illegal vendors, they get money. Their pockets is full of dollars. And the new employer is filing H1B now. So I'm not sure how long I'll live here. So I will upload only when I think it is safe to upload or whatever it is required. So that's how Indians are doing crime as a business here. Shameless, unethical, illegal bastards, rascals, and they call it as H1B consulting business, drinking blood of H1Bs by not hiring Americans. If they hire Americans, they have to pay very good amount of money, $85 an hour, but they hire only OPT, CPT, H4 EAD, and then last is H1B. Thank you. This is from Maryland, Greenbelt Station, 2018, March 21.